Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn about the questions and answers, product question and answer. So you can also post your questions so that the users, whether it's a guest customer, they can answer on the product, right? So we have made the one questions here so let's create how to create a questions and answers and all. Let's have a look on that. This is basically this answers. So let me go to my questions. So here you can create the questions, and question is for what, right? So I'm going to add a new question. Okay, so I can select the bag here, duffel bag or push it back messenger bag. So I'm going to click on this. I'm adding a question for this, that is approved question. Okay, default store, user type guest, and visibility visible question. Do you like the product? Okay, author name, I can ask my author name and email, rajni90 @millionaires.com. Okay, and likes 12 and dislikes 0. Save the questions. Okay, when I go and just flush the cache, so I'm going to flush the cache here and go to the product one. So this is my product, where is gear, and we have, I guess, which one, push it messenger, I guess. Where is push it messenger? This is push it messenger. So I think the question would be reflected over here. So the question is, do you like the product? Our administrator will reply regarding on question soon. So I will add a question. You can add a reply. So it was nice product, it was nice product, right? I can add the questions answers, right, as a guest. So I'm submitting the answer with this one, submit the answer. So answer is submitted. So I'm going to go to the answer section, reload this. So one of the answer is coming, do you like the product? And I will check that the status. It was a nice product. Okay, likes 0 and something, so it's guess, so it's visible, right? And if I go to this one, you can see that this review of the question, let me check this, reload this, and questions answered yes was I will go with the like this. Okay, and I will also okay, then we will check in the backend whether it likes is coming or not. So it is one likes, right? So it is manage the likes also, so that the rest of the persons have a share their feedback points, right? So this is how we can do that part, right? We have a question rules also. So this is how you can also write your questions. Can I ordered bulk products. So I will submit the questions with this one, right? So I can submit this question, and you can see that I have a can I order then I need to answer this one. So let me go to this answer sections back. So I have a question, right? So let me check on the question side. So this is, can I order this, approved as a guest, edit guest, again I order the bulk products. Okay, so I need to answer this question. So I need to go to the answer section and add a new answer. So I need to select the question, that is this one, and I need to approve it. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay, author name Rajnikant, and you can, our name is Rajni90 @millionaire.com. Okay, likes, you can mention whatever likes. Okay, visible guest, save. Now I go to the cache management, flush this cache, and you can reload this and check this. It has 12 likes, right? And the guest has answered yes, you can. Okay, so this is the questions and answers. If you want on the product side, whether you want that one part, so let me comment in the comment section whether you want the full source code explanation or what, just let me know. So this is the product question answers that you can implement it on your Magento store, and that is gives the customers a feel that they can ask the questions or answers regarding the product. Okay, So this is for now, and if you want the full tutorial on that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.